Hi, I'm Miriam Joy, and today I wanted to show you the MJ formula. We've been working on this for quite a while, and you guys have requested it, so we wanted to introduce it to you. We have the Heavy Conditioner, and this is great for a real heavy conditioning of the gourds, for real dry gourds, and also to help with the craft templates. We have the Light Gourd Conditioner. It's also a good brush conditioner, as well as I use it for a floating medium, which I do a lot of, so that really helps, and so much more. You can play with it and see what you come up with. I am going to demonstrate. I have just a gourd here, and we are going to start with the heavy here. Each of these come with a flip top lid so that they're easy to use. I'm using a cotton round to pour mine onto in just a small amount. You don't need a large amount. And just nicely rub that in, and you get that nice conditioner on your gourd. I kind of want to leave a straight line so you can see that. This one I do not believe has been sanded. I'll show you one that's been sanded, and then let that absorb in really well. And you can see the color of that change. And then we'll go to our lighter one and show you how that reacts. And we'll leave some space in the middle. And we'll put the lighter one on there. We'll give that a moment while we're showing you what it looks like. If you have the Miriam Joy Craft Templates, they're good to kind of freshen those up again, kind of give them a shine and also a little bit newer life. And that really helps. As you can see how much that really brightens that up. We'll let that absorb in there too. And on this guy, I wanted to show you this guy because I had sanded him. And see all of his spots. See how he's really got some different colors that are really absorbent. So I want to go back and dye this. So I went over this section with the heavy and then a brown dye, and it had all of these spots in, so you can see how much it evened out the paint. And this section I did with the lighter one, and as you can see how that did, we've got a little bit of a difference there. So on this gourd I probably would use the heavy one because we've got so much really dry spots on that. But you can see the difference from the heavy, light, and nothing, how that really made the difference. And as you can see, this guy is drying over here, and we've got the heavier, nothing, and the light. And just depending on what type of conditioning you need. I have one that I did, oh gosh, 6 months ago, maybe longer. And I want to you can kind of see this one hasn't been sanded. It needs to be sanded. But you can see the line. I put the heavy one on that. And you can see how that really picked up the color. And I ended it there. I did the light on this side. So this one has nothing. The light, nothing. And then the heavy. So you can see how that really helps condition that gourd. And this guy here, this guy's still going to be drying a little bit, but you can already see the difference in the three. Like I said, I use it with floating medium. You put your brush in the water, you dry it all out, put a little bit of medium in it, and then it's easier to float. I do have a video on how to float if you need help with that. But you can find this new product at miriamjoy.com. We're so excited. There's been so much demand. We know this is just going to be flying off the shelves. So thank you for joining us today, and get yours at miriamjoy.com.